So we're doing like an avocado rose. So what I do is I just cut it in half. For this one, I use a paring knife only because I think it prevents it from sticking like to the knife, the side of the knife. So this one just makes it a little bit easier. And if it's ripe, the avocado should slice easily and everything. So what I do is I cut it in half, take the pit out, and then what I do is just turn it cut side down, and then I just cut the avocado in half right through the skin. That way, what I can do is just take a corner and just peel it off like this.
Look at that.
So then what I do is just slice them as thinly as possible. It doesn't need to be perfect. And again, the paring knife is just really great for this because it doesn't really stick to the knife. And then all you do is you just cut it, and then you just basically like smush it out into one big long caterpillar. You've had caterpillar rolls, right? Like at like a sushi restaurant, and this is kind of how they put the caterpillar roll on top, and they make like a caterpillar. And so this is kind of it. And what they do is they just roll it in.
Isn't that great? Awesome!
Yeah, you just roll it in like this. Make sure your hands are clean. I'm always like, everyone, make sure your hands are clean. Wash your hands because you'll be touching it, or just wear some gloves. Okay, so this is your avocado rose.
Gorgeous!
See it.